very important list. This is a very important topic. We should remember all these topics. So like each and every interview, mostly they will ask regarding this, what are the different types of list we have, and what is the use of composite list or like number list. So these are the, what is the list subset, why we create the list subset. This type of question they will ask. Why we use the list subset? What is the advantage of list subset?
List subset, like we need to select a specific department wise or specific set of people out of the total data. So
Yes,
since like to make some calculations, only that specific department we will take it into that. Say suppose sales commission, that we will take only sales department.
yes. So if we take entire list, what happened? So 100 list items you will get. So that what happened? Your model size will get increased. If you want only one department, then you can simply out of 100 5 departments you can take one department. So that is a possible by the creating the list subset. So in this way, like we can avoid the we can decrease the model size by creating the list subset. So that is a major advantage. So we should, the purpose of creating a list subset, we can decrease the model size by creating the list subset. This is the very best practice in Anaplan. By using this one, we can improve the model performance and we can decrease the model size. So this thing each and every time we should discuss. So like other than this one, so we have like number list for duplicate purpose we use, and like we other than this duplicate purpose we have two purpose we have. So we'll discuss later that one. So yes, Alam, what about this Kavya and Feroz?
Feroz, he doesn't lift my call. Sami and Hafiz Ahmed will join within short time.
Sami and Abdul Hafiz, MD Hafiz, MD
Said he
Hafiz,
will join within. Yeah, Abdul Hafiz will
Abdul,
join.
check with Abdul Hafiz, Abdul Hafiz as well,
Yes,
MD
yes.
Hafiz and Abdul Hafiz. Suresh, once
Abdul
check with
Hafiz.
our guys.
Okay, sir.
Sudhir, check with Sudhir and SM Hafiz, Inayatullah, Arshad Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamid just now he joined and he left. So what is the problem? I'm not getting. So anyway, we can see here. So Ayan, once check our guys Abdur Rahman.
Okay, sir.
So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
So yes, yesterday we have completed up to this 4.5.8 activity. We have added these top levels to the general list. So we have completed 4.8.8 activity. We need to start next activity, like add data to G1 region list. So far what we have done, just we added general list. We didn't add any list items in the general list. Yesterday as I told, Asif level 1 model is there, but nothing we have here. So here in general list we have created G1 region list, but inside the G1 region we don't have any items. Only we have empty model. So G2 country list we have, but all like you can see everything is empty. If you open G1 region, nothing you can see. We don't have any items. What is mean by list and list items means this G1 is a list. Inside the whatever the items we import, that comes under the list items. So same way you can see this G2 is the country list, and whatever the countries we add inside this G2 country, that comes under the list items. So this is the difference between the list and list item. So first we need to add parent, then we add items to the child. So first whenever if you add items, we should add the item G1 region, then G2 country list we should add items, then we should add items to the G2 G3 location list. So in same manner, whenever if you are importing the data into list, we should add items to the parent, then we should add items to the child. So in this way we'll do here, and you can see here So whenever if I add some items to G1 region, so what we should do, simply we should open the G1 region and we should follow their instructions. So open G1 region list from the general list pane. Yes, already we have opened here. On the G1 region list screen, click insert. Simply what should we do? We should click on this insert. To add list items, we should click on insert. Manually, if I want add manually, I should click on insert. So you can see I am adding here. So in the insert into G1 region text box, type these three list items. These three are the list items. America, Europe and Asia Pacific are the list items for the G1 region. So we should paste these list items here and we should click. So we have only three items, that is the reason. So we can insert manually. So when you have large data, how we will do, we can see here. So this is the first thing I have added manually. So I can see, I can compare my answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it perfect whatever we have done, or anything wrong here
Yes,
for
yes,
G1 region?
yes, yes. It's fine.
So this is fine whatever we have done, so that we can go for the next activity. Add code to the G1 region list. So we can see here we need to add code for the G1 region list. So for in open G1 region list from the general list pane, on the G1 region list screen, select the grid view tab. In the code column, type the code for each region. Open G1 region list, go to grid view. Then here code tab, we should insert these three codes. So Amer, EMA and Asia Pacific. So these three codes we need to insert here.
So, light on. ఇచ్చిండది చిన్నది.
This is a manual procedure. So we have next import procedure we have. So generally we'll do manually in this way. We can add list items to the general list. So we have added this list and we can compare. So we can compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it perfect whatever we have done? Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So everything is perfect. Then manually import data into list. Next activity, go to next activity. So we can import data manually. How we will import the data? In country list we have the 13 countries. So in whenever if you want to import the data, we should check all the details. So what is the row header and what is the column header, each and everything we need to check here. Import data into G2 country, we can check here. So how we need to, before beginning the import, we should download this file. This is the Excel file. So .csv file. So in this file we have the countries. So from this file we need to import it to G2 general list, G2 country list. So this is my G2 country list. If I want to import data, so I should click on import here. I should open the G2 country list and I should click on import. Then I should click on upload new file. Then just now whatever we have downloaded file, so we should click on that file, country file, and you can see. So this is the like column header. Header row is the first one, country code, country name, parent. First data is starting from the second row. US Amer. You can see this is the first data row is starting from the second, and we should keep here admins only. So then we should click on next.
Sorry to interrupt you, Asik.
Yes.
Can you please go back? Can you please go back? No, no, import is fine. That is fine. Okay, you want to do it again?
Yes.
Wait, 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 wait. What is the text encoding code? Some ISO X0. So is it system populated? Do we need to validate it or something like that?
No, this is a file, that file code and everything, this one. So there is no need to do anything here. So this is a file of different dot separated file, and this everything is like the file type, we can say.
Okay. And in
Yes.
below, as per our hierarchy, what we give in G1, G2, G3, whatever it is. So first region will come. So in the below table, we don't have any region.
You
So
can
how
see
the
here
map
we
will?
don't have region, means you have parent here. So you can see here parent. What is the what is the parent for the country? Region or not?
Yeah.
That is the
Okay.
thing. If everything they will not
So
give G1 region, G2 country, G3 location, so they will give some hint here. So if you don't understand this one is a, you don't have G1 region, you can understand here Amer, Ima, Emia. So what are these
values, values, regions.
region codes? These are the region codes. So by observing this file you should understand what is this
So,
country code, US, CA, nothing but country codes.
so this
What
is
is
the
this
exactly this is the one which the file we uploaded, the headers and the data, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, I got it.
Mohammed, when I tried to upload this file, it was unable to upload. Is there any format issue or system issue?
No, no. When you try, what happened?
It was just what you know. Please wait. It was saying it is more than 10 minutes. Me and Alam tried, but it keeps saying I've tried many times.
No, no. Once share your screen with Alam, and whenever if you face any problem, you can share that image in group. I will give answer there itself.
Oh, okay. 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 I'll collect. I'll connect with Alam after the class again.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So we can see. So we can see here. We should map here. So what is the
Country code.
which will be for G2 country? Which one is the best option here? Country code or country name or parent?
Country name it will be.
Country name is the best option. Why means already you have code here, we can select here country code. So that is the reason we have the option country name here. So then what is the parent for here?
Parent only.
Yes, parent only. So simply you can select parent. So this is a way. So in this way we can see here, if you click on run input you will get the data. So yes, successfully we have completed the imported this data. So we can see data here, countries data we can see here. If you open this one grid view, you can see the data. So we have completed this one activity, like we have imported data. So next we can go to next activity, like after completing the G2 country. So what will be the next option we have? So we have the G3 location. So after completing the G2 country, you need to go for the G3 location. So we can see here G3 location list we need to import here. Download this file and open G3 location list in the general list pane, and same procedure we should follow. Same procedure we should click on import here. So when I am importing data into G3 location list, but why I can see this data? Are you getting any doubt? So why I can see this data? I didn't import any data into G3 location list. Why I could see this data?
Because we gave parent and child relation, right? The data is pulled up from there.
Yes. So I have given here parent for G3 location, I have given G2 country. If I remove this one, so what happened you can see. Are you able to see anything? Yes?
No.
Nothing will have. So the thing is, whenever if we select this parent G2 country, whatever the G2 country details we have in our general list, that details, country details you can see here, country code and everything, country region details. These are the country and regions are the parent for the this G3 location. Only we can see the parent details here. We can't see anything regarding the location details. Now we are importing the location details. So that is the difference between the country and location. So child and parent, we can see now we will import the data into country list. We have just now I have downloaded that file. Then I should click on import, upload new file. So you can see location file. We should select this location file and simply we should select here admins only. Then you can see location code, location name, country and region. So these are the 4 columns we have. So we should simply select here next. So understand what are the different options we have for G3 location. Which one is the best option here? Location code or location name or country or region. So for which one we have
Location name.
location name? Why means already you have location. For location code you have code here. Simply we should select location code here. Then what is the parent for the G3 location?
G2.
G2 country. G2 country, but we don't have G2 country exact. They will give some hint here. Country is given. Then we should select that one. Select name or code, then click on run import. Yes, so everything is completed. So you can see now, you can see the locations: New York, Chicago, San Francisco, every location you can see. Earlier we could see only the countries, US, Mexico, different, like only we could see the countries earlier, but after importing that we could see the locations as well. For each and every country how many locations it consists. Under the US, how many locations are there, how many cities, you can see here. So under the Canada, how many locations are there. So in this way we can so import the data. For each and every parent we can insert the data, we can add the some list items. So these are the list items. So yesterday what we have done, just we have created the list, and now we are inserting the data into general list. We have completed till G3 location. We can check your answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it correct whatever we have done so far?
Yes.
They are showing tree view. If we want to see tree view, we can see in this way. So everything is perfect whatever we have done so far, so that we can go for the next activity. So I add data into P1 product family. So import data into P1 product family, we can see here. So click on this link, download the file, click on here and click on general list, click on P1 product family, open it, click on import, same upload new file. So product family file we should select here. So keep here admins only, click on next. So here we can see which one is the best option here for P1 product family, family code or family name or
Family
column
name.
header. Yes, do we have any parent for the P1 product family?
No.
We don't have any parent. Why means P1, G1, E1, these are the top levels. So it doesn't
Yes.
consist any parent. You can see for code which is the best option here, column header or family
Code
code.
and family code. Family code.
Family code is the best option. You can click here, name or code, simply you can run import.
1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry to interrupt. Oh, oh. That screen.
So if I want same action, I should go this actions. If I want mapping, whatever the import we have done, that we can see in this actions pane, import into P1 product family. If I click on edit, I can see that mapping, whatever the mapping we have done. Tell me.
1 minute. Yeah. So by default, it is giving some other button selection, and it is giving a checkbox bottom, right? Adjustment, something like that. Before changing,
Yes, come again.
I think third option, code only. It is giving some other option in the checkbox in the bottom. If we select out
Here,
of the core button,
here, okay.
so so if you take code only, can you please click code only? Ah, so in what case we take it code only, and the below checkbox is also there, right? Adjustment, something, where we use this
Yes, we will take
person
code
as
for number list. We take code only. So generally, always we take name or code. So for number list, we take code only. So this is a major difference. And whenever we take combination properties list, means that is a different scenario. We'll do later that one. So majorly
okay.
we'll take name or code 99%. 1% for number list we take code only. So these are the two options we use regular. This
Okay.
one very rare scenario will use later, this one combination of properties. So like if I want different combinations, if I have data, in that scenario we use later, we can observe that activity. So majorly we do name or code only. 99% we put name or code. For only number list we use code only. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So this is, in this way we can understand. So we have completed P1 product family. So we can see how many product families we have. So 4 product families we have. So we have completed this activity. So next we can go for the P2 product list. We can see here. Again download our file. So open P2 product list here, and then click on import. Upload new file here. You can see P2 products here. Products file just now I have downloaded here. I should select that file. So we should select here name or code, admins only, and then you can click on next. So for P2 product, which one is the best option here? Product code or product name or family
Pro-
code or size?
Product, product name
So product name is the best option. So what is the parent for P2 products?
P1. 1 minute.
Don't say
Product code.
P1, P1 product
Yeah,
family.
product code.
If you say total word, you will get some idea. If you say P1, nothing you will get. You can see family
Product
code we have. P1 product
code. Yeah,
family,
family code.
nothing but you have some relation here, family code. So for code, which one we should select? Product code or product name or family code or size?
Product
Product
code.
code.
We should select the product code. Already we have selected here product name. So that is the reason we have only product code option. So here we should select name or code. Then we can import here. Click on run import. Yes, we have created 53 list items we have created here. Yes, we have successfully completed this P2 products list. So you can compare your answer with the screenshot of Learning Center. Is it perfect whatever we have done?
Yes.
Yes, everything is perfect. So we can go for the next activity. Manisha, is it clear whatever we are trying to do here?
Yes, as if I have some doubt, but I have to just try it myself. Then only I can ask
Okay,
some
okay. Try to
doubts.
complete these activities one day advance, so that you will, if you
Okay.
get any doubts, you can clear it here itself.
Okay.
And others, MD Hafiz, is it clear whatever we are trying to do here? MD Hafiz, Murali,
Yes, yes, Mohammed.
okay. Others, MD Hafiz, are you there? MD Hafiz and Hamid, Jilani, is it clear?
Yes, officer, I'm following.
Okay, fine. So MD Hafiz is, he doesn't join. Alam, what about this MD Hafiz and Hamid? Alam, are you there? Okay, fine. So we can check these guys later. So we have completed this one. So we can go for the next activity. So after completing P2 product, we have another activity like event departments. Then we should go for the event departments. So this is the next list we have, event department. So open event department file in general list pane and click on import. Same procedure we should follow here. we should click on upload new file. So department, we should upload department file. We should select here admins only. Here for E1 department, which one is the best option? Column headers or department code or department name? Which one is the best option here?
Department name.
Name is the best option. So do we have any parent for the E1 department?
No.
No.
So we don't have. Why we don't have any parent?
Because it is what is that?
It is the highest hierarchy.
Hierarchy. That's a
Yes.
technical word.
Why we don't have parent?
Because it's a flat.
No. It is at the top level in the hierarchy. So it
Yes.
starts from there.
It is a top level in the hierarchy, like E1 department, P1 product family, G1 region. So these are the top level hierarchies. It doesn't consist any parents. So that is the reason for top level hierarchies, it doesn't consist any parent. So we can see here code. So what is the best option here, department code or department name?
Department code.
Code we should select. So simply, so we should select here name or code, then click on run import. So 5 departments are get created. We can compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it correct? Whatever we have done?
Yes.
Yes. So everything is perfect. We can go for the next activity, import size list. So download the file, again open size list and do the import. Same procedure, nothing is different. In general list, we should open size list. Click on import, upload new file, click on size. You can see admins only. Click on next. So for size, which one is the best option, size code or size name?
Size name.
Name is the best option. Why? Means already for code you have here code option. That is the reason we should select the name initially. So what is the parent for the size list? Does it consist any parent size list?
No.
It doesn't consist any parent. So that is a flat list. So the thing is, that is a flat list. That is the reason it doesn't consist any parent and child relationship. So we should keep empty here. Then we should click run import. We will get the size details in our general list. Yes. So you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it correct? Whatever we have done, is there anything wrong here? Yes.
Yes.
So everything is perfect. Nothing is wrong. So that we can go ahead for the next activity. So what is our next activity after size list? So we can see here final activities of this list. We have E2 employees list. Create E2 employees active list subset. We need to create the list subset. Yesterday we have discussed about this list subset. So we can see we need to create the list subset. So we should open E2 employee list and select subset tab and insert E2 employees active list. This one subset. So we should insert in the subset box this E2 employees active employees. We need to open employees list first, E2 employees list, then click on subsets. We should click on insert, paste E2 employees active. Nothing we should do, just we need to compare after creating the list subset. So we should looks like this. Whenever if you open E2 employee list grid view, it should looks like this. Is it correct? Whatever we have done? Yes.
Yes.
Just we have created just E2 employees active subset we have created. That is the reason we can see extra this E2 employees active. Yes. So then we need to import data into E2 employee list. So this is the next activity. We need to, this is a very, we should understand very carefully. So number list we have some instructions we have. So we should click on this file. So whenever they provide this table, we should follow this instruction. If you don't follow this instruction, what happened? You will get error. Do not open the .csv file in Excel before completing the import. We should not open the file in the Excel before importing. So what happened, the codes whatever we have in this 001 format we have. If you open the file, these files, these codes will convert into 1, 2, 3 so on. So that is the reason. So we should not do that one, open the file. And other than these options, what are the instructions they are providing? Open E2 employee list from the general list pane. Click on import procedure. Remember, verify the file. Same procedure we should follow. But we have another table we have. We should follow that instructions. Click on import. Upload new file. Click on employees file. We should not open. Directly we should import, try to import here. And keep here admins only. Click on next. Here what should we do? We should go through these instructions. What are their instructions in second table? Remember, this is a number list. Map employee names to appear in the display name field. Also, because it is a number list, list name field will need to be left blank. So what is the list name means? You can see this first table, this is a list name. We should keep empty this one. E2 employees name we should keep blank. Where they are suggesting to keep this employees name means display name. In first you can see column 1 we should select in the display name. We can understand here. Remember, this is a number list. Map the employees names to appear in the display name field. That is the reason I have selected in final tab. Also, because it is the number list, so name field will need to be left blank. First column we should keep the blank. This is the first instruction I have followed. And second instruction you can see, make sure populate E2 employees active subset. This data can be found in the active column. Go to E2 employees active subset. You can see here E2 employees active subset. Select here. Where we can see this one, active subset they are saying. You can see here. Where we have active, in ninth column we have, is it correct? Active subset? Yes?
Yes.
So we should select this one. So this is second instructions I have followed. So go for another instruction. Finally, remember to set the parent for the list. In this hierarchy, employees rolls up to the department. What is the parent for the E2 employees? E1 department or not?
Even department. Even department. Yeah.
So that is the thing they are guiding. Employees rolls up into departments. So E2 employees will rolls up into departments. So the parent should be select department. So which one is the we have department detail? Which column?
3.
Column 3 department code we have.
Department code.
Yes. Fine. So for code we have, this should be, we should keep blank, and this we have filled 3 instructions and we have left only code. For code, which one is the best option here? For employee
Code.
code, which code only we should select? Everything is completed. I have completed 3 instructions and I have given code for the code. Already we have left blank this as per their first instructions. And number list, whenever we use the number list, so we should import with the code here. This is the 1% where I which I have told just earlier. So this is a, wherever we use the number list, we should click on here code, we should select the code and then we should import the file, so that you can easily, you will get the data. If you want take image, you can take this image of this one, if you get confused. So then we can click on run import here. Can I run import? Can I click on run import? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So everything is successful. We have get created 11 list items here. So we can check the data. So everything is perfect. We can compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it perfect whatever we have done, or is there anything wrong here? Yes. Yes.
Yes, it's correct. It's nice.
So in this way we can import the data into number list. So we should follow, whenever they provide these tables, we should not avoid these tables 100%, we should go through these tables. So these are the very important tables they will provide for the suggestions. So we can see here we have completed this one. After completing this one, import data into E2 employee list, so we have completed this lesson, 4th lesson. So we can start tomorrow onwards 5th lesson, so which are there, how we should design the module, we should create the modules, and what are the things we required to build the modules. That things we can discuss tomorrow. And in 6th lesson we have the again activities of these modules, how we should create. So if you complete this, try to complete this 4th lesson activities and even start 6th lesson activities as well. We have already that regarding sessions, how we should create the module. So in theory, what happened, if you go through first theory, you can't understand how we should create the list and everything. If you explain in theory, you can't understand. Once if you create the list and if you create the module, what happened, you will get 100% idea. So that is my suggestion. So now itself try to start these activities and complete all these activities. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes,
So
yes.
please try to start now itself, start practicing these activities. We have here lot of